To clock in on the Workday app, start by opening the application on your mobile device or accessing it through a web browser. If you are using a mobile device, ensure you have downloaded and installed the Workday app from the App Store. Once you have the app open, log in with your credentials, including your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to set up your account first by following the prompts provided by your organization. After logging in, navigate to the time tracking section of the app. This is typically found under a section titled Time or Time Tracking. Click on this section to access the clock in and out features. To clock in, click the Clock In button. You will then be prompted to select the workday and the specific job or task you are clocking in for. Make sure to select the correct information to ensure accurate time tracking. Once you have selected the workday and job, confirm that you want to clock in. You will then see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully clocked in. Throughout the day, you can use the app to track your time, take breaks, and switch between different tasks or jobs. To clock out, follow the same steps as clocking in, but select the clock out option instead. It is essential to clock in and out accurately to ensure you receive correct pay and to maintain compliance with your organization's time tracking policies. If you encounter any issues or have questions, consult your organization's HR department or the Workday app support resources for assistance.